It's the time of year when you need to start thinking about winterizing your trailer, and there's several different ways to winterize it. Some prefer to use compressed air and blow out the lines. You do have to be a little careful of your pressure at that point, but the typical way is antifreeze, and that's what we're going to go through today. You have a couple different ways that you can winterize using RV antifreeze, and this is one of the most common. You'll notice that there's a pickup line here prior to the pump on the inlet side, and you're going to have a series of valves here. So you're going to take the hose here on the inlet side, remove the cap, and you're going to put this right into the gallon of antifreeze. That is going to pick up directly from the gallon and use the pump to pressurize your entire system. Once you have this in here and you are ready, go ahead and flip the pump on. It'll start drawing the antifreeze, and then we're going to go around to each of the fixtures inside the unit and make sure to operate until we see a nice pink flow from the RV antifreeze. We are inside the men's room here, and as I said, we're going to operate each fixture until we see pink. So we're just going to hold this down, and as soon as we see pink, we'll go ahead and let it time out for us. And there we have our pink, so we are good. We'll move on to the next fixture.